Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You likely already have the card. Now confirm the lounge networks it covers and whether you must enroll. Start by logging into your issuer account and locating lounge benefits. Enroll if required. Once done, check whether access is primary or secondary and note guest rules so you don't get turned away. Also review any visit caps or credits and where they apply. Make sure your card is active and set travel notifications if your issuer flags foreign activity to avoid. You're ready to plan the moment you arrive at the airport. Have your same-name boarding pass within 24 hours and the physical or digital card ready. Many lounges accept QR or membership numbers from apps. Once done, add any authorized users to your account and save membership ID to your phone for quick access. Double-check the lounge's terminal and hours, and allow at least 15 to 30 minutes to walk between gates so you don't miss entry windows or flights. When you approach the lounge desk, hand over your boarding pass and card and clearly state how many guests you have. Once inside, use amenities efficiently, watch allotments or time limits, and charge extra services to your card. If staff deny access, stay calm and ask to speak to a manager. Once done, confirm enrollment status in your issuer app and have screenshots ready. If still unresolved, call the issuer's lounge support number immediately and request expedited verification or a manager intervention.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.